Here's the new 2026 method to make your Facebook account fully private. Open the Facebook app, go to your profile, tap the settings icon, and select Privacy Checkup. Tap Who can see what you share, then tap Continue. Review your profile details and switch everything to Only Me for maximum privacy. Customize who can see your posts and stories. For full privacy, set posts to Only Me or Friends. Also, tap Limit. Past posts to hide old posts from the public. Tap Next twice to review the remaining privacy settings, including your phone number, email, and profile info. Set anything sensitive to Only Me. Go back to your profile, tap the three dots, and select View, as to see how your profile looks to strangers. If everything is hidden, your account is now fully private, and that's it. That's how to make your Facebook account completely private in 2026.